FormGent offers intuitive settings to help you get started effortlessly. In this video, we'll walk you through the key configuration steps to optimize your forms. To access FormGent settings, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Then, navigate to FormGent and click on Settings. Here, you'll find four main tabs: General Settings, Security and Protection, Validation, and Activate License. Under the General Settings tab, you'll find options to customize your form's behavior. One key setting is Disable IP logging. Enable this setting to prevent saving users' IP addresses with form submissions. This enhances privacy and ensures compliance with GDPR and other privacy regulations. Next, let's enhance your form's security. Go to the Security and Protection tab and enable Honeypot Protection. This feature adds hidden fields to trap bots and reduce spam, keeping your submissions clean and secure without affecting real users. Let's customize the validation messages. Click on the Validation tab to view the default messages for different input types. Here, you can customize them according to your needs. Required field. This indicates that users cannot leave this field empty. Therefore, we will display the default message. Email validation. This ensures that the email is entered in the correct format. Number validation. This requires that only numeric input is accepted. Minimum value. We can specify a minimum value for this field. Maximum value. This allows us to indicate the maximum value for the field. Confirm value. This is important for confirming passwords. We will keep the default message. URL format validation. This checks that any web addresses are correctly formatted. Input mask error. This ensures specific input patterns like phone numbers. We will also use the default message. GDPR compliance checkbox. This prompts users for consent before proceeding. Thus, we will keep the default message. Character limit. This restricts the length of text inputs. You can edit these messages to match your style or preferences. Once done, click Save Changes to apply them. If you've upgraded to FormGent Pro, activating your license unlocks premium features, automatic updates, and priority support. To activate your license, navigate to FormGent, Settings, and click the Activate License tab. Enter your license key into the field provided. Then, click Activate License to complete the process. If you don't have a license yet, click Get Yours Here to purchase one. That's it. You've successfully configured FormGent. Now, you're ready to create fully customized forms. For more tutorials, check out our documentation.